So good morning. This is day one in, well, actually day two in Munich. I have no clock in my room. My Garmin watch is not correct. My other Garmin doesn't know where it's at. I gotta get outside. And hopefully we're gonna go to Octoberfest. I woke up 9:30. It's like 11 o'clock now. It's super late. My fruit rings tasted a little meh, but we're gonna crack on with this day, and hopefully all my Garmin's smarten up and I can find my way. So all right, we are wheels on the ground in Germany. So, am I going the right way? Both my Garmin's are set. Oh, I think I'm on the right side of the road. I should have brought my sunglasses. Go over the train and take a hard turn right there. Oh, one of my straps is coming undone. Yeah. Oh, let's screw down a gear. Am I going up or down? I think I want down. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I want down. Then I want this way. Oh, okay, I know where I am. I know I can't clip in. There we go. This is the turn for the cab. Oh, I'm gonna die. So I actually just passed my train station. It is not that far from my hotel. So that is really cool. Took the hoodie off. It's beautiful outside. Got my Garmin pointing straight, so that's good. So both my Garmin's are working flawlessly so far. My bike feels really heavy. My legs feel like they're not firing on all four cylinders. It's like, where do you look? Once again, stuck in this world again of, do I look at the Garmin? Do I look at the scenery? Do I look and watch where I'm going? This is a heads up place. And go figure, lots of German cars out in Germany. Oh, my tummy feels horrible. But I think I'm getting closer. I'm being lured in by the bell. I'm being slowed by cars. So I just left Octoberfest. Spent about 2 hours? 2 hours, 2.5 hours walking around. Hopefully the road worked out really nice. Now we're gonna follow my path, which I didn't really film, so it's gonna be a return video. That sounds like a big dog. A big hound. It was really cool. That was a fun experience. Oh, he's turning that way. I want to go this way. Back on the road. I don't know if I can bike on the road. We're doing it anyways. Tourist. I think I need to be on the cycling pathway. Alright, I made it. Whoa, maybe I didn't. People, dogs, cats, cars. We're turning at this cool looking building. Sometimes I don't get my Garmin, like I was just on this street and it told me to turn off of it and do something funny. Like, why would it do that? Why wouldn't it just have me go up this street? It's a cool road to bike down though. Nice and smooth. Yeah. Oh, it's the train or the monorail. I don't know what they're called. I call it a train. So McDonald's is pretty good. It was €9 and 9.09 euro for a 9-piece nugget, medium fry, and a medium coke. Not that bad. 14 Canadian dollar dues. Horse coat. Train line looks cool. I would like to be on my other side of the road. Feel a little more comfortable there, which I think will correct when Garmin freak out on me later. So I have to turn here, then turn here, and then it's telling me to turn here. That was simple. Oh yeah, last time it told me to go straight. Abandoned scooter. Here is Trek bicycles. So I could technically walk up those stairs. I'd be on the road in front of my hotel. We're gonna detour. Make our own way now. I am a rebel. That's a busy hotel. Oh, it's check-in time. That's why it's busy. Volkswagen. And here we are. Smartments Hotel. Ta-da! So that was a 12-kilometer ride. No, 9.5 miles. It was a 9.5 mile ride. Very, very short.